I think what usually happens when there is a fast song, we tend to brace. And by bracing, I mean tighten up all our muscles. The real success comes in the opposite attitude. In order to manage into faster tempo, I actually have to drop a little bit the muscle tension and release a bit more. But have a sharper moments between release and tension. If we're continuously bracing, we will be looking stiff. Dancing fast, we will be looking maybe a little bit delayed, yeah, because the body is not so reactive, you know. The body is continuously bracing, it cannot be so reactive to movement. When the body is available and there is more connection with the floor always helps in dancing when you can really stomp and bounce and push from it, and you know, it can help you to give energy to go somewhere or to push up or to slide up. Waka tiki 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 waka tiki 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 waka tiki tiki pi waka tiki 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 waka tiki tiki waka tiki 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 waka tiki tiki waka tiki 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 waka tiki tiki pa tiki 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 pa tiki tiki pa. When I dance fast personally, I always use the idea of bouncing off the floor. So instead of going, it's muscles, 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 I drop myself like a ball, like a rubber ball. Boom, taki, 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 boom, taki, boom, pa. Yeah, it's about having this. Here's the masters of doing fast movement. We know for sure, more energy doesn't mean more stress, doesn't mean more tension in the muscles. Yeah, and your question, when you try to do things more energetic, my rhythm gets messy. Well, it gets messy because you are very, very tight. Yeah, all the muscles are tight. And when the muscles are like this, we cannot do rhythms. We cannot syncopate. We cannot let go. Yeah, we can only do marching. We can only do even things.